Yes. Hello, my name is Deborah Oruma. I'm the owner of Deb Assist Virtual Assistant Services. I'm known as Deb Assist on IG. So, a little over a year ago, I started my business. But you know how it goes. There comes a time where you begin to discover other things that you're passionate about. And I knew that digital marketing is one thing I want to go into. So, what's the first thing you do when you want something? Uncle Google, and the very first place I saw was DMSI. Now that didn't stop me. I did my due diligence, I researched, and the reviews I saw online gave me the hope that this is a place to be. I came into Lagos, sacrificed everything, left my family for over a month, came in here for this training. Now, my experience, it's not something I have the right adjective to qualify, but I can tell you it's beyond amazing, it's beyond wonderful. For someone who already had a little experience about this, coming here, my mind was blown. I've watched tons of YouTube videos, taken tons of courses on what digital marketing is all about and how to do it. But taking this course, it's an investment that I will never regret. It's rich. The coaches are superb, the help, the support, and the amazing people I also met in here. Now, is this something I will recommend for someone? Beyond 100%. This is really worth it. And I can't wait for the many opportunities that are opened up onto me. In fact, even while I was taking this course, so many ideas were already pumping into my head. And I know that this is a good investment that I have made for myself and for my business. So if you're considering going into digital marketing, this is the place for you. Don't even bother to look for something cheaper. I mean, sometimes it's not about the money, it's about what you gain. And take it from me, I wasn't paid to tell you this. This place is somewhere you need to be. So I hope you find success in your journey. Thank you.